what is it that you uniquely do that's different than other people? And I look at the promise as something that's a little bit different than your mission and your vision and things like that. The
100%.
promise is something that's outward facing for your customers.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and the wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today we have Peter Mohr joining us from Canada. So Peter, tell us, what are the 5 steps to make your first million?
You know, I just recently wrote a book and it's based on a 5-step procedure. So I think this is
amazing.
going to work out. The first thing, Harry, is to understand the promise that you deliver to your clients, because everybody buys a better future. And when we think about that, what is it that you uniquely do that's different than other people? And I look at the promise as something that's a little bit different than your mission and your vision and things like that. The
100%.
promise is something that's outward facing for your customers, that you're going to shout to everybody out there and everything that
promise.
you do.
What is the big
This
promise?
is what I do to help you through your problem to have a better life. And so step number 1 starts with the promise. Step number 2, 3, and 4 are the alignment issues to that promise. And the alignment is, I need to align my product, my process, and my people to that promise. And step 5 is get the right amount of profit, because when we have the right amount of profit, we can enjoy the right amount of freedom and the other things that you want to do, not only working in your business, but on your business and on your life, and leaving the legacy that you want to live as a business owner.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.